Last week, ChatGPT rolled out agents, and I made a video about how you can use them to generate leads and get more clients. Well, right after the video, I got early access to ChatGPT Agent. So I spent the weekend playing around to see how it could be used to generate leads. And well, it's not as good as you would expect. The agent took a while to find leads, almost half an hour to complete the task, if you can call it completed, because ChatGPT Agent kept asking me to make changes and minimize my request, asking me if it could gather 10 instead of 50 leads, asking me to only provide names without email addresses or whatever. The end result was terrible. What I got was almost unusable data. I could use it for enrichment, but it's definitely not worth 28 minutes of waiting. I could have just scripted myself. Honestly, it was underwhelming. That's why today I decided to put ChatGPT Agent to the test and compare it to another search engine for lead generation to see which one is faster, finds accurate data, and can actually provide me with emails or LinkedIn profiles to reach out to. So let's take the same prompt, give it to both apps, and see what happens. Let's start off with ChatGPT Agent, as it will take the longest. Paste the prompt, select Agent, and let it work. Unfortunately, after 5 minutes of hard work, ChatGPT couldn't find any leads. Last time I at least got 10 or so out of a 50. But now I got nothing. It asks me to provide a database, but if I had one, I'd be able to do it myself, but there's no real use. Now let's do the same thing in LeadsForge. Let's paste the prompt and let it work. It got me leads in about 7 seconds. I can filter them out even more, or simply ask the bot to export LinkedIn, email, or both. So in comparison, ChatGPT Agent took 43 times longer and got 5,000 less leads because it got 0. With LeadsForge, I was able to tell it exactly what I need, and it found me the best leads in a couple of seconds. Leads that I can enrich and use for cold outreach right away. If you'd like to try out LeadsForge for free, you can do that by following the link in the description to get 100 free credits. If you want me to give ChatGPT Agent another try and let it use some kind of a database, then just leave a comment.